your interview is on which date?
Sir, my interview is on 26th of December.
In which place?
Sir, it is online. Actually, they have shared a link. So I think it will be through that conference only.
What is the post for which you have applied?
Uh, Sir, the post is IT officer. I think it is something like JMGS1.
Oh,
Junior.
acha. Very good. Punjab Sindh Bank.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good,
Punjab and Sindh Bank.
good. Now wait a minute. Hmm, just, just a minute.
Sure, sure. Sir.
Is this your first mock or second mock?
Sir, it is my first mock. Actually, I could not join yesterday, so this is my first one.
Please tell me about yourself.
Sir, my name is Anubhav. I am from Shimla in Himachal Pradesh. I have done my schooling from JNV Shimla. Thereafter, I studied electronics and communication engineering from DTU. I passed out in 2018. Thereafter, I have been working for last 6 years, and currently I am working as a patent engineer at Samsung, and I mainly work on technologies like AI, cloud, etc. with inventors of R&D team. So I guide them for making new innovations and identifying some patentable inventions from that.
Good. Tell us about your family.
So in my family, and we have like my mother, father, and my wife, and I also have a small kid of 10 months. And my father is a farmer, and my mother is a housemaker, and my wife is also currently homemaker.
Good. What are the advantages of cloud?
Okay, sir. So, like there are many advantages of cloud computing. For example, the we can access resources from anywhere in the world. Like it is not specific to some device. And then other benefits include scalability. As the demand goes on, the resources, more resources can be leveraged. And then other advantages are like a robust infrastructure in terms of disaster recovery. So yes, sir, these are some of the main advantages.
What is the role of solution architect?
Sir, the role of solution architect is actually understanding the business requirement first, and then developing solutions like what would be the components, what would be the processes, and how the data flow will be in the entire system that needs to be designed. And after developing the solution, so other aspects like security uh, needs to be taken care of so that the system is not prone to external threats, etc. And the system should be adaptable, like it should be compatible with the existing infrastructure. So such and the solution architect should be also be aware of the cutting edge technologies that he can utilize to get the best result, to get the best performance.
Are the guidelines for RBI for hosting bank data on cloud?
uh, okay, sir. So actually, RBI recommends bank to avoid hosting sensitive data like transaction data, customer data, uh, and other payments related data on the cloud because if it is hosted on such public clouds, so it can, like, it will not be within the jurisdiction of the country, so and it might be vulnerable to security threats. So that's why it is not recommended by the RBI to host such sensitive content. But other non-critical content can be hosted. Uh, banks are already using such cloud-based services for their other non-critical data.
This is what you see. Please go through these questions also and prepare in detail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, good. Now let me go for the next question. Just a minute. Next question. What is application gateway?
Uh, Application gateway. So I'm not aware about this exactly. I
What
think
are
I
the different types of firewalls?
So different types of firewalls are like packet filtering firewall, stateful inspection firewall, proxy firewall, and circuit level firewall, and then some next generation firewalls are there.
Do you think this position is suitable for you?
Yes, sir. I think because in my current role, I have been working on latest technologies, and I have developed my problem solving and analytical skills. So I think these skills will be equally applicable in this role as well. So I can utilize my experience for working as an IT officer in this way, sir.
Is your salary now?
Uh, Sir, my current net salary is 1,12,000 something.
But will you not be getting less salary?
Yes, sir.
Will
I
be, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, yes, sir. I understand that I would be getting lesser salary here, but actually, I'm looking at from more from learning point of view, and also I want to extend my skill set, and I want to contribute directly to the society and by providing them banking solutions which can benefit and which, because at the end the banking and financial services are very crucial to to our nation's growth. So I want to contribute in that way to the nation, because so far I have been working on in the corporate sector only. So I also want to get the exposure of working in a public sector enterprise as well, sir.
Talk to me about cyber attacks.
uh, So cyber attacks are actually the attacks on the data systems and networks of an organization which employ different methods. Uh, for example, ransomware, uh, phishing based attacks, and mm, denial of service, distributed denial of service attacks are some of the common attacks that we get to hear these days.
Yeah.
So,
Now tell me what are your strengths?
sorry, sir, I could not hear the question.
What are your strengths?
Okay, sir. So mainly my strengths are multitasking abilities, and adapting to different working conditions and working under pressure. So I have developed these strengths while working after uh, after graduation. So while working in the private sector.
Then, what are the achievements made by you, say, during your company? In this company, what are the achievements made by you?
Okay, so in this company, there are some of the achievements like I have uh, contributed to working with external vendors. So I have led that project where I have been managing the work of external vendors and guiding them. And other than that, I think also guiding inventors to make them work on the technologies which are business oriented and which are more useful technologies for the enterprise, for the company.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, 1 minute. Tell me what is virtual currency?
Sir, virtual currency is a form of digital currency uh, which can be electronically stored and exchanged uh, for accessing services, etc. So there are different types of virtual currencies existing today, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So these digital currencies mainly use cryptocurrency technologies like blockchain, etc. For their implementation. So these are decentralized networks.
Yeah. How has technology affected banking?
So technology has affected banking in a good way, and also I would say in some aspects in bad way. So I will explain both the things. So if we look at the positive impacts of technology, so it has contributed in financial inclusion in India and more focus on cashless economy and enabled underserved areas or remote like people who are not uh, like who do not have access to the banking. So it has enabled them to access the banking services and coming to the downside of technology, so it has also affected the it sometimes there are incidences of security breaches or security threats which also come to the picture. So because anything which is being done online like online banking or others, these things, such things often tend to be susceptible to external threats, security threats, so which needs to be taken care of.
Okay. I, I hope I have given you these questions that you see on the screen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You have given to me. I have also gone through these some of these questions, like most of these questions.
Tell me, what do you know about core banking solution?
Sir, core banking solutions refer to the banking solutions in which a customer can access his account or carry out any transaction from any branch of the bank. So he need not to only go to the his home branch. So, and there are many examples of core banking solution. For example, ATM. So, user can withdraw money from ATM of a different bank, and online banking, mobile banking. For accessing these things, he need not to go to the branch. And so, these are some of the core banking solutions. And examples of software which provide these solutions to these banking sectors are like Finacle software from Infosys, and another one uh, is a software provided by TCS. So using which the banks provide core banking solutions.
Why do we need IT officers?
Sir, actually, in this era where there is a great transformation of banking with the advent of technology, so as like there are many initiatives of government, Digital India, uh, where there are many such initiatives that are coming up. So there is always a greater role that the IT officer needs to play in terms of developing IT solutions for the bank, which are efficient, secure, and which increases the customer satisfaction and also increases the operations of the banks. So that's why for developing such technology solutions and uh, like ensuring that the solutions, IT solutions are secure and also efficient. So for all these purposes, the banks need IT officers.
What is FATCA?
Uh, Sorry, sir, I'm not aware about this actually.
Lot of questions are here. Please go through them.
Okay, sir. Yeah, I will go through them. Actually, I did not get chance
What
through
is
some
this?
of them.
What is CAPTCHA?
Sir, it is a kind of authentication method. So while we log into some our banking account, so we need to verify that that the user is actually performing the transaction or logging into the account, so that it is not being done by some robot who is trying to attack the account by stealing the information, etc.
What's this?
So I think it is some advanced version of CAPTCHA. So I need to read about it more. Sir.
This NFC.
NFC is basically near field communication technology. So it is currently being utilized for making contactless payments. So like as we see, there is a technology of QR scanning. So similar to that, when some QR code or some uh, payment interface is
And
coming to the device proximity. So using NFC, the payments can be done.
last question. It is packet filtering firewall.
So packet filtering firewall act works between the internal network and the external world or external network like internet. So it filters the incoming packets from the outside network so that the packets that are coming are valid and they do not pose any security risk.
So बहुत क्वेश्चंस आए ये सबको प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए अगले बार में पूछेंगे आई विल आस्क यू नेक्स्ट टाइम सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस ओके
Yes, sir. I will prepare these questions.
या थैंक you did well I wish you success next next interview when do you want to have
Sir, I today is 22nd because 26th is my. Sir, would it be okay to have a mock on 1 day before the actual interview, or should I do it on 24th? Because actually on 25th, sir.
at 24th में रख so that you can read something more that I suggest also. I will have you at 9 p.m.
Okay, sir, on
Okay.
24th.
Yeah.
Okay,
9
sir.
p.m. Yeah.
Okay, okay, sir. And like I want to ask, take some guidance from you. So
Mm.
like one thing is that, so what should be like my ideal answer for that salary thing? So and why banking from this,
In,
why choosing
in
banking?
seeing the questions given to you itself, there was a candidate like you, first page itself. You can see that why you want to come here. You are already drawing a higher salary like that. There is no answer. except that you say, I want to switch over to public sector company. Uh, that you tell like that. That is the actual reason. What else can be the reason?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because do you have job insecurity in your present job?
Uh, yes, actually, in corporate sector, there always are chances of job insecurity, like it is more as compared to public sector.
So you can mention that also.
Okay, publics. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Yeah. I'll stop recording.
Sure, sure. Thanks.
Thank you. You did well. Best wishes.